Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. And it's time for another Wayback Wednesday. Now, if you happen to be a follower of all of my duct tape projects, then you're going to know this bag. This is the Fox bag. This is the beginning of all of the bags that we made that have all kinds of different animal faces. And this is the one that started them all, and it's created by my sister Freda. And she and I are going to show you how we make a fox bag on our way. Back Wednesday. Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, this is part 2 in the fabulous Fox purse that was designed by my fabulous sister, Freda. So Freda and I have already taught you how to make the bag portion, and now what we're going to do is teach you how to make the fox face portion. And basically, Freda, this is just a flap or a lid.
Attaching a flap lid
to your bag, and it can be any face that you want, right?
That is correct. Well, this is just showing you the template for the fox face.
So we're going to be creating many, many templates for you in the future, but today we're going to show you how you attach the fox face, because this is the purse that's out there on the internet. People have seen it, they've been asking for it, and so it's inspired by my great sister here, and so we're going to show you how to make that right now. For this project, we're going to need our duct tape, of course, always need our duct tape. We're going to be using an X-Acto knife. We've got a little piece of sticky back Velcro, but you might also have magnets.
Magnets are also good, yeah.
Yeah, you like to use magnets a lot. It's just sometimes they're hard for people to
find them, so we're going to use Velcro today.
And we've got scissors. Parchment paper. And the reason we have parchment paper is because for part of our fox's face, as you can see right there, he's got some little eyes, that is a duct tape sticker. Now, if you don't know how to make a duct tape sticker, I'm going to suggest that you go to the link and check it out, because it's a pretty easy, quick
very easy
video that'll show you how to make the stickers. But you are going to need parchment paper for that. And then we also have a template that's on our website.
Yes.
It's at Sophie-World.com, and you're going to find it in the step-by-step tutorials. You will find it linked there. It's a PDF.
And it's the fox purse.
And it's the fox purse. So now you've already made a piece of duct tape fabric here, right?
Yes. So this piece of duct tape fabric is large enough to accommodate this fox purse pattern. Okay. And it happens to be, but I actually made it larger to also get the ears out of it. So just make a piece of duct tape fabric. Okay, so this is your face, and then this, I'm assuming, is your ear, and you're going to need how many ears? 2.
2 ears.
Unless you want 3 ears or 1.
Okay, so, well, you know, you could have...
2, please.
You could have had an accident. Okay, so you've got 1 ear on the template, but please make 2.
Yes.
Okay, so...
and you don't have to do this, but I've decided to make the inside, the flap that comes up, also white. So I've got orange for my fox on one side and white on the other side.
Okay, great. So you would take your template and place it on there, and you can use what do you usually use, a Sharpie, or do you use? You
could use a dry eraser marker, or you could use a Sharpie marker, but I'm just going to go ahead and trace the template.
Now, if you do use a Sharpie pen, one I have learned will help clean off Sharpie. If you end up when you're cutting and if you accidentally cut and you've got some of that Sharpie that shows, you can actually use rubbing alcohol and it'll take it off. A lot of the times when we're using templates to trace, what we do is we actually use a dry erase marker, which will usually wipe off a little easier than the Sharpie pen. But, as I said, you can always use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So now we're going to save a little bit of time because we've actually already got our pieces cut. Is that correct?
That is correct, but you got the idea. So you're just tracing around and you're going to cut those out.
Great, perfect. And then on here, on the template, I'm also noticing that you've got a circle and what looks like a little rounded triangle and then another circle. You want to tell them what those are?
So you'd cut 2 of these, and those are the eyes. 2 of these, that's the shine in the eye. And 1 of these, because that's your nosy.
And what we would basically do on this is making a sticker. And so we would use this as our template to be making a sticker. And again, like I said, you want to just go to the website and learn how to do that. So she's traced it out.
Put your tape on top.
Put your tape on top of it.
Cut it out.
Cut it out.
But, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun,
you've done it ahead of time. Yay! Okay, so how do I attach?
Okay, so this is going to be the front of my bag. So I'm going to be attaching this to the back here.
Okay.
So that it folds down like so.
And what kind of tape do you want? Do you want white or orange?
I want orange for one side and white for the other side.
Okay, so I'm going to cut you a piece of orange. And do I want to match it exactly to this size?
Yeah, so lay it on here, and then let's actually use the X-Acto knife there too.
Excuse me. I don't want to cut
Get
your fingers.
my fingers out of your way.
Sorry. Don't cut your sister's fingers off. Mom and Dad would not be very happy if I did that. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Guess what I did today? I cut my sister's fingers off. Okay, here you go. That's that one. And then you need the exact same for the white. So let me just use that and get that measured for you.
I'm removing it from your life.
That's okay. There you go. All yours.
So we're going to take this guy. Lay the orange half on, half off.
Okay. So you're just overlapping about like a thumbnail.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Take that. Let's see, hold it against the back of our purse here. And I'm actually going to leave some room to sort of fold over. So I'm just lining that up on the back.
Okay. And do you want me to put my hand in here to get that? You want to push against it?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So now let's show the audience there that what we've got here is a little bit of that sticky, and you don't have to worry about that sticky. It's going to go away when she seals it with the white tape.
So let's do that. Now we're going to seal that off with the white on the inside.
Out of your way. Okay.
And that's going to also create some room for this to
Well, you want to have
fold.
a little extra room at the top because you want to be able to open and close and keep your purse from being too tight.
Right, the ability to expand.
Yeah.
There we go.
Put stuff in there. Okay, so it looks like you've sealed that nice and well. And it looks like we might have a little bit of trimming to do on the edge here, so I'm just going to trim that little itty bitty bit off. There we go. Okay, you want to make the face and the ears? What are you going to do next?
So,
oh, cute!
You know what? Let's actually just stick that sticky back piece of Velcro here, just to make sure that his little facey stays closed.
I'm going to let you do it. How's that? Go ahead.
I'd love to.
Stuck. So she's just taking that sticky back piece of Velcro, and what she's done is put the sticky back there. She's going to peel. You keep those two pieces of Velcro together. She's going to peel off the paper, and she's going to fold it over.
That's just going to get it in the appropriate position for us.
Great, and that'll keep it in place.
Squeeze those. Perfect.
Excellent. Now what?
Let's do the ears.
Okay. So for the ears, she's cut two of these out already. And are these white backed and orange? Yep.
They are. They're white on the back.
Okay, so you did that out of the fabric that she had created ahead of time.
Just like we did on the lid, I've added a piece half on, half off of the orange in the front.
Okay.
Just going to take that, position it where I want it, just on the side here.
Okay.
Tuck it right on the top there.
Now, do you want another piece of tape in the back there, or?
Yes, I would.
Okay, so I'm going to cut that while you add the second. And this piece of tape is just to secure that ear in place, so it does not have to be cut as beautifully as she did it. This is just going to be a little strip.
Okay, so we got our ears.
Can I give you that?
Let's put that on the back.
Oh, I guess actually, though, it is white there, isn't it? So maybe I should have cut that to the size, huh? There you go.
Let's make it perfect.
Do you need a little extra, or is that good?
That's great.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, and you could always put white over top of it, huh?
I could. We can come back and always... Duct tape is super forgiving. You can do anything to it afterwards. We're just getting it positioned here.
Got it. So if you put your tape down and you realize that on the back of it you want to have white instead, you just come back with a little piece of tape.
All right, now we have ears.
Cute.
So now let's build our face.
Okay. Build a face like Mr. Potato Head.
Yes, please.
Okay, so you got the eyes, and you're just putting that one right there.
Yeah.
This kind of has one of those feels like those Japanese creatures.
It does, yeah. I think that that stuff is so cute.
Like the Hello Kitty kind of feel.
Big eyes.
Yeah, the big eyes. And so now you're adding a little shine, just the little white ones, little white circles there. There you go.
Which way should he have the shine? Should it be at the top?
It's up to you. You're the artist.
Okay.
Okay. And then that final, can I add the nose?
Yes.
Please. The nose. So one thing, just to make a note here, we are using, what we've got on the back here is, ooh, yay, nosy. We've got parchment paper, and parchment paper works really, really well, and we recommend that as opposed to wax paper or any other, right?
Yeah, no wax paper, parchment paper.
Okie dokie, and that's it. There is the fox purse that you guys have been asking.
So cute.
So again, check back because we're going to be adding more faces.
More animal faces.
You got it. And if you have some animal face suggestions, put them in the comments below and we'll see what we can do about that. For more great ideas, come and check us out at Sophie-World.com.